When fish eat, they digest and take up nutrients from their diet. Wild fish diets look different from that of farmed fish. However, the nutrient composition of both diets is made as similar as possible. The composition of fish diet fulfills specific nutrient requirements that vary per fish species and also per life stage. Small fry have different requirements than growers or breeders. A fish diet is composed of different types of nutrients. Proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and microingredients form the bulk of nutrients in fish feeds. The composition of a fish diet ideally matches the requirements of the fish. A good nutritional fit supports good feed consumption, fish growth, and health. However, having a good nutritionally sound feed is only the first step into having a good quality feed. Fish live below the water surface, meaning that unlike terrestrial animals, they also feed underwater. The physical properties of fish feed therefore differ from feed for land animals. Physical feed properties are to a large extent determined by the production process of fish feed. Nutrient mixtures can either be pelleted or extruded. Pelleting is merely pressing the nutrients together into one dense pellet that will sink. Extrusion is cooking of the nutrients and expanding the pellet, allowing for a porous structure that will float. Extruded fish feed allows for nutrients to be taken up better by fish. Floating feed allows for satiation feeding and proper observation of fish behaviour. Pellets must stay intact after entering the water and not fall apart and start leaching nutrients into the water. Pellets should be strong enough to stay in one piece, but not so hard that it will cause dust or crumble formation in the feed bags. Fish will not consume these small particles, and they will only deteriorate water quality. Fish feeds are generally high in protein and fat. Therefore, shelf life of these feeds is limited. Expired fats can go rancid and toxic, which can be harmful to fish. To maintain good nutritional value and physical properties, feeds should be stored properly. Dark and temperature-controlled warehouses will aid in keeping feed fresh.